I'll be completing my lecture on join. Okay. We had discussed various forms of join, including the natural join, the inner join, the theta join, the uh, what to say, the outer join, and all that. We have covered all that. Natural join on the last turn we uh, were talking about, and for natural join to happen, I had told you there should be certain columns which should have the same names in both the tables on which the join is being carried out. But even if we are having compatible columns, say for example we have two tables, certain columns are common but other columns are different, but they are compatible, means there is a column which has different name in the two tables, but picking their value, those different named columns are picking their values from the same domain. It means they are compatible columns, they can be joined. Then we can join using natural join with the where clause. For example, I'm going to share the MySQL screen now. As my now it should be visible to you all. Fine. So we say there are two tables. Sorry, first of all I activate the database sales. Show tables. And we know there are certain columns which are common among product and X order. See how? Select star from product and then select star from X order. We notice P code is common between these two tables. But this P code is common. So if we want to natural join these two tables, we can use the P code column. But we further notice that launch date in the product table and OR date in the X order table, they are also the compatible columns. Why are they compatible? Because they are picking their values from the same domain. They are just the dates. Their values are from the domain date. Okay. Can we join these two tables on these columns? Yes, but that should also maintain the spirit of the natural join on P code. In that case, we can use natural join in conjunction with where clause. See how? Select star from product. Select star from product. Join X order. Sorry, natural join X order. If I leave this command here, I terminate this command here, what's going to happen? Both the tables are to be joined on P code because this is the only uh, common column between the tables, and we know that natural join doesn't require the condition to be specified. That means the uh, common columns need not to be specified. But While maintaining this natural join, we want to further join them on the column launch date and or date. So how to do that? We are going to add a where clause in this, where product dot launch date equals to order x order dot or date. I know the answer. The answer is going to be an empty set. Why empty set? Because no date is common among uh, product and X order. This is why the answer is going to be empty set. Unknown column product dot launch date. Okay, I have given the name of launch date wrongly. It's launch DT. And now it says empty set. If there would be certain rows which will be having common dates, they are going to be listed. So this way we can natural join on the columns which are not having the same name in both the tables. Or alternately, I can say I have maintained the spirit of natural join, plus I have joined them on an additional column as well. But this okay, there is another way of joining the tables where the column names are not where the names of the column in the two tables are different, but they are the compatible columns. By compatible I mean that the columns with different names pick their values from the same domain. Okay, there is another way of joining them. We can use the join command like we have done in the past, but we can also join them another keyword that is known as using. There is a keyword using which allows us to conveniently join two tables which are having the columns which have different name but are compatible to join. By compatible we mean they pick their values from the same domain. Here is a command. Look at this properly. Select p code comma sum s dot from x order o. We are using table aliases this time. O for X order, join using join shipment. The name alias for shipment is S using P code. Group by, because we have used the group function and non-group columns cannot be mixed up with the group column without the group by clause. So group by P code. Every non-group column is to be listed here. Look at this. Here is the result. So using just allows us to specify the condition briefly. For example, let us list what we have done to understand. Let's list these two tables, that means the X order and the shipment. Select star from X order and then select star from shipment. P code is common among both the tables, so we have specified it in the using. Okay. I was wrong actually. I was telling you something wrong. It should have the same name in both the tables. To use the using clause, the compatible columns should have same name in both the tables. Okay. It's another form of natural join. This is same as the natural join, but we have not used the keyword natural join. Instead, we have used the keyword using. Got this? Or any confusion? So there are many ways of joining. Uh, Theta join, then comes your equijoin, then comes your natural join. These three are the collectively called inner joins. Then comes your outer joins. After outer join, we have natural left outer join, and then natural right outer join, or both are called natural outer joins. Then we have the uh, using clause, and then we have the mixture of natural and where clause. Now I give you a quiz here, and what the quiz is, I list a table before you and you have to answer a query. The table is here is a table. Here is a table. Are you getting me? Hello? Please someone switch your audio and let
Yes,
me know.
sir.
You are getting me? This is a table, its name is assignment. And now the query is find find the co-workers in all projects this is a query that I want to be answered. I want to be answered from this table. Find the co-workers in all projects but not necessarily doing the uh, same job. Here is employee number. Employee number 101 is working on heap 1 and his job number is 600. Similarly, who is the other worker who is working on heap 1? That is 103 and 107, and they are doing the different jobs, right? Check the job number of uh, 103 700 and check the job number of 107, that is 800. So the co-workers of 101 are 103 and 107. I want to list for all the employees, their co-workers, okay, which are working in all projects but not necessarily doing the same job. That's the query. How can we do that? Can somebody use her mind? Somebody would like to respond? If somebody wants to respond, please switch on your audio and talk to me. Find the co-workers in all projects but not necessarily doing the same job. Okay, I don't think you will be able to solve it because you have not exercised the concept behind. The concept behind is the self join. Self join is an operation in which we join a table to itself, as its name indicates. For this, if I am able to join this table with itself, then I'll be able to list the co-workers in all projects. See how. What I do, I copy this table, into another table, and the name of that table would be co-assign. And what is the best way of copy? Create table co-assign as select star from assignment. Okay, it says 7 rows affected, 7 duplicates. Let's check whether co-assign has created or not. Select star from co-assign. Now we have two tables, assignment and co-assignment. Now the query is we have to find the co-workers in all project but not necessarily doing the same job. Co-workers in all projects means all those workers who are working on the same project but doing not doing the same job. It means if we are able to join assignment with co-assignment on product number and we get the employee number listed from both the tables, then the query is solved. See how. Select a dot a is an alias for assignment table, a dot emp number comma c dot emp number from assignment, and alias for this is a. Join coassign, and the alias for this is c. On specify the condition. The condition is c dot or A dot product number equals to C dot product number. Okay, select, we have joined these two tables, means assign and co-assign on product number, because we have to list all the co-workers which are working on the same project but not necessarily doing the same job. So this is why we have joined it on product number and then enter. This is the list we get. 101 is the co-worker itself, is the co-worker of itself, true. 103 is the co-worker of 101, yes. 107 is also co-worker of this 101. So it means the first three rows tell us that 101, 103 and 107 are co-workers. Similarly for others. Okay, this is the first method of self join. This is the first method of self join, but it has a drawback. What is that drawback? We have made exactly a copy of the table on which this self join has been carried out. We have copied assignment into co-assign, right? So it's inefficient in the way, okay, we have to duplicate the data, leads to data redundancy, and we don't want that. So I drop the table co-assign. I don't want this table. System CLS star from co-assign, and it says that the table doesn't exist. Okay, now select star from assignment, and the table is there. Can we join it with itself without copying it into another table? Yes, we can. We will be using the table aliases. For that purpose, we will be utilizing the table aliases. Select, we will give two aliases to the same table. See how I do that. Select A dot C dot from assignment A. At one place I have given the name alias A. Join on join assignment, I am giving it the name or alias C. Join C on A dot product no equals to C dot product no. And okay, wait a moment.
Sir, it should be C dot
Wait a moment, हाँ.
product.
C dot PRODNO, ये मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी है. Okay, unknown column C in on clause. Unknown column. Okay, wait a moment. A dot. Oh no. C dot it should be. And here is the answer. The same answer we are getting with this command as well, wherein I have used table aliases. Okay, so this is how we can self join a table. That means we can join a table with itself. With this self join example, our discussion on joins finishes. Anybody wants to ask anything, please ask.